Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Jamshed Tariq from Dark Snake Fight Gear. We feel immense and a pleasure to introduce ourselves. We are a manufacturer and exporter of boxing equipment and a mixed martial art. I am become a member Alibaba 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I have a visit with my friend WebExcel. He had given me a good idea how to growing your business and in the worldwide. They suggest me to buy. He suggests me to buy Alibaba Gold membership, and we will full train you how to work on Alibaba and how to posting your product as well. And I really love it. He had given me a good idea for growing our business. I really love it. His work and his team, his staff is really very humble, polite. They are all time present to serve his services. I really love to work with WebExcel. I really appreciate Mr. Shibaz. He has given me a good idea to grow our business. Thank you.